Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. What a crazy 24 hours we witnessed with the Bitcoin spiking to all-time highs of 11,485, and then subsequently dropping to, depending on the exchange, anywhere from 9,200 or in, and we'll go over this Coinbase's case. I think the low of the day came in at 85.95. So pretty wild price action. So kind of wanted to give you guys kind of an overview of what that did technically to the price for Bitcoin, and are we going down or are we going back up? So without further ado, let's take a look at the charts and kind of go over the price action. So in the case of Bitcoin, one thing you want to notice, Coinbase basically locked up and crashed, and they have, let's face it, they have a big majority of the volume right now for the crypto space. So even though they have a low of 85.95, if you were to go to another like BTC USD and go to like Bitfinex or even Bitstamp, you're going to see their low is much higher at 94.01. So typically a move like this on a daily daily candle that's kind of an indication of a blow off top. But I will say that price has recovered somewhat here, and because of that, actually the bears aren't really in control like they were when this low was made. So basically price had to get back above 10,300 and actually exceeded that up to 10,800 in the Asian session. Now the Asian session was once again pretty bullish. So this is a 30-minute chart here, and you can see we got an exit signal on our crypto money machine signal. That's one that fired, that just prevented a lot of pain on that move down. That was pretty wild. Did have a long fire here, but exit fires here. So to me, looks like we're looking at some consolidation in this area. It wouldn't be a bad thing considering just the huge amounts of movement we've had in the last, say, 48 hours. $1,500 in a few hours up and down. It's just really crazy. So if we consolidate, that's fine. I don't think that's very bearish at all. If we started rolling over, for example, this current fib zone, this bear fib zone, has a target of 97.31. If that rolled over to that, I still expect this area to hold in here. This like maybe the bounce off of 9,500 to 9,700. Ultimately, breaking this trend line to me would signal that we are basically either going to consolidate sideways a little bit more, or start our move back up to higher highs. I do think before the end of the, we're almost into December, I do think by the end of the month and year, there's a good chance that we do make a new high. That's my read here. But we could consolidate for a while, kind of like what you had here, because Bitcoin, like I've been saying, is kind of like up and then consolidate, up and then consolidate. This was kind of just kind of a blow off move, but price, the buyers have come in, and you just see a lot of buying in the Asian session, so more so than we have in the past. So either we consolidate, break this, or we roll over and we get support at 95 to 9,700. I think that holds. Otherwise, consolidate. Breaking this trend line probably is going to be followed by breaking this high that we made earlier at 10,845 roughly, and then I think that opens the door to challenge the previous highs. So technically speaking, not the end of the world. Coinbase kind of exasperated the move to the downside on their exchange, which was not seen. Those crazy lows were not seen on the other exchanges. So it really was I think Coinbase locking up kind of created more of a systemic thing where other exchanges were dropping in price. The Coinbase was leading it down because there's if an exchange is leading down, and others are going to follow typically because of arbitrage, where the price difference gets the gap on that closes. Okay, so that's basically it for Bitcoin. I think we're okay. I think it's the healthiest thing for it would be to consolidate. So, but for new people, that's kind of a whipsaw event, but you kind of got your taste of Bitcoin volatility, and it won't be the last time. So that's just you have to accept that's just part of the crypto environment. The other thing I wanted to show you guys was the global cap. Market cap did fall off some, and this is the total cap, and then this is the cap excluding Bitcoin. So quite a bit of money came out of the alts on that run up, and Bitcoin dominance is continuing to climb. So we're not seeing quite the rotation into alts that I think we were looking for at this point. So kind of a Bitcoin hold market versus a crypto or a altcoin swing market at the moment. I don't think that's going to. We're gonna have pockets of where that's gonna change, and then we'll be calling out some trades. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you're interested in the indicator that we have, feel free to check out the link below, and you can get that going on TradingView. All right, guys, thanks for watching so much, and see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.